Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn two very important concepts in Python: identity operators and the membership operators. These are simple but extremely useful when working with variables, lists and strings. Let's begin. What is identity operators? Identity operators is and is not. Identity operators are used to check whether two variables refer to the same object in the memory. For example, first I will make file dot py a is equal to one, two, three. Second b is equal to a. Third print a is b, point a is not b. So the first is print a is b is true, and the second is print a is not b. So this is default. So this is identity operators. Both a and b point to the same list in the memory, so as a is be true, for example, x is equal to a b 3, y is equal to a b 3, and print x is equal to y. Print x is y. So the first is x is equal to x is true, and the second is false. You check if the value are equal. Is check is if both value have the same identity, same memory location. Here value are the equal but they are stored spread in the memory. So x is equal x is y is false. Click tips for use is equal to combine values. So use is equal to identify values. So now I'm talking about the two memberships operators, is and is not, in and in not. Membership operators are used to check either a value exists inside a square like a list, string, tuple, or anywhere string, list, anywhere. So for first I will example numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 'This is the true', and print 15 numbers. So this is the false. This is the membership operators in Python. So example, sorry, x equal to hello Python print Python in text is true, print Java is in not in text. So this is the membership operators. In return true if then item exact, not in return true if the item not to exact. So this video we learn identify operators is and is not, membership operators in and in not, if is checks identify will check values, in check if the element execute in the square. So if you find this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.